Is it really worth spending all that money on a fancy bamboo cutting board prep station that you see on Instagram? Or can you find one a lot cheaper that's just as good? I don't know if you've seen those extendable cutting boards on the Instagram ads that are starting at about $180 for this basic setup, but I really wanted one. I found an alternate and I'm going to review that for you today. Overall, I am very happy with this. It was a third of the price of that expensive one on Instagram. I got this for under $60. I will include links in the bottom so that you can find the same one. It's got a waste bin, which is metal. It's got a second container for the bottom. These are both 1.62 quarts. So as you're cutting, you can sweep the waste into here. And there are 2.9 quart containers on the top here. One's clear plastic, the other is metal. They're all dishwasher safe. And then there's a little plastic platform that snaps in there for a phone or a tablet, so you can have your recipe right there. The work surface is 16.5 by 11. It's bamboo and it has a juice moat around. I was concerned about it being sticking out too far so that you wouldn't be able to reach the cutting board, but it doesn't. And these don't come with covers, neither does the basic of the expensive model, but you can just put plastic wrap over these to put them in the fridge. It's nice and thick. It's got cutout handholds on both sides, and it has rubber feet so it's non-slip on the countertop. Plus, for cleaning, these slides that hold the front bins come right out. So then you can just wash this off, dry it very well, and then put everything back. And then these front racks slide in for easy storage. And then this back one just slides out like this, and then I just store it on top like this and then stack all the containers together and put it back on my counter. Just like that. You can also use this as a cheese or serving board, a charcuterie platter, maybe a breakfast board with different ingredients in it, taco station, salad board, or an ice cream topping station, anything you can think of. I'm overall just very, very happy with this one. Gets a thumbs up from me. And I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on this video if you liked it.